Okay, what we have today is section 9.2. I'm sorry, 9.3, and we only have two words for it. The first one is geometric mean. Geometric mean is the square root of the product of two numbers. So you multiply two numbers and you take their square root, and that's the geometric mean. Sometimes it's set up as a proportion, and so I would solve this by doing a times b. So I get AB is equal to x squared, and to get rid of an x squared, you take the square root. So you multiply two numbers and take the square root, and that is the geometric mean. Seeing what the geometric mean looks like in a picture, it's when you use right triangle similarity theorem. And what it happens is you have a right triangle, and if you have another right triangle that's built from the right angle of the original triangle, it creates three similar right triangles. And in those three similar right triangles, there's three geometric means you can set up. It's easier just to look at it in terms of similar triangles versus memorizing where things go. But it's important, and it might be helpful for you to draw the picture. So the big one is ABC. And then ACD is the medium triangle. And so on the big triangle, A is where the long leg is. So if I look on this medium triangle here, the long leg is also A. And then B for the big triangle is where the short leg is. And so the short leg on this medium triangle is C. On the small triangle, C is where the long leg is. B is where the short leg is. So you have to look at it versus size of leg. When you do them, a lot of times people will draw three triangles next to each other. Let's make it right on this. Nope, I can't. Sometimes people will draw three triangles next to each other, and looking exactly the same, a small, medium, and large, so that they can figure out what goes where. So the first word we had was geometric mean, which is the square root of the product of two numbers. And then the second word we had was when you have right triangles, you'll draw them and they're similar. And you'll use proportions to find missing sides and information.